Most people want better skin, but here's the truth. If you don't know your skin type, you're basically guessing. And that's why products don't work, routines feel confusing, and your skin sometimes gets worse instead of better. So in this video, I'm breaking down the simplest, most accurate way to figure out your real skin type for men, women, and growing teens who are still learning their skin. Let's make this super easy. Step 1. Wash your face, but keep it simple. Use a basic, gentle cleanser. Nothing fancy. No exfoliating beads, no acne treatments, no scented face wash. Rinse with lukewarm water. Just enough to clean the skin without stripping it. This gives you a clean starting point so we can see how your skin acts naturally. Step 2. Wait 25-30 minutes. No products, no touching. This is the part most people mess up. Don't put on lotion, don't add oil, don't even spray face mist. Just let your skin breathe. During these 30 minutes, your skin shows its true personality. Now watch what your skin does. This is where you find your skin type 1, normal skin. If your skin feels comfortable, not tight, not greasy, pores look normal. Basically, your skin is minding its business. You have normal skin. Lucky you. 1. Oily skin. If your forehead and nose start shining like you're about to film a music video, or your cheeks look slick, that means you have oily skin. This is super common for teens and anyone with active oil glands. 1. Dry skin. If your skin feels tight, itchy, or looks a little dull, or you feel like you need lotion as soon as possible, that means you have dry skin. This type needs hydration and gentle products. 1. Combination skin. This is the most common type. If your T-zone, forehead, nose, chin, gets oily, but your cheeks feel normal or dry, congrats, that's combination skin. Balanced in some areas, chaotic in others. 1. Sensitive skin. If your skin gets red easily, burns when you try new products, or reacts to almost everything, you have sensitive skin. Totally normal. You just need fragrance-free, gentle routines. Bonus check. How your skin feels throughout the day: gets shiny fast, oily, feels tight or flaky, dry. Oily only in certain spots, combination, reacts or turns red, sensitive stays balanced, normal. Once you know your skin type, skincare becomes way easier. You'll know exactly what products to buy, what to avoid, and how to build a routine that actually works for you. If you want more simple skincare videos made for real people, hit like and subscribe.